Chengdu Zhongli and Rongsheng Engineering Machinery Company Limited is an integrated enterprise mainly engaged in engineering machinery and foreign trade, focusing on sales, maintenance, and refurbishment of machineries. Its main selling products cover used equipment, excavators, loaders, cranes, scissors or lift platforms, boom lifts, forklifts, dump trucks, concrete pump trucks, bulldozers, road roller, motor graders, peavers, reach stackers, drilling rigs, and accessories for various engineering machineries. Rongsheng has always adhered to the core marketing concept of customer-centric, endeavoring to provide customers with quality, assured products, and professional services. The workshop and headquarter are rooted in Chengdu, covering an area of about 7,000 square meters. And it has cooperated with over 50 factories for providing a wide variety of quality, assured products to customers under the leadership of the general manager Mr. Deng, who is steeped in engineering machinery over 30 years. Its markets mainly cover Central Asia, North America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Eastern Europe, Russia. Annual sales revenue is over 1 billion Chinese yuan in the past decade, awarded with various honors and certificates. It is committed to more fully for the region to provide customers with integrated, intensive sales, service, spare parts integration, one-stop business, and continue to enhance and enrich the customer value. Backed by professional customer service and supported with technical maintenance service from the workshop and famous brand factory, Rongsheng can offer more than just machines. Rongsheng, your bridge to abundant and reliable engineering machinery. Welcome for inquire.